I've heard of stories where people take their kids back to Africa, give them a whooping and bring them back. Maybe they're just myths, right?
Back home, you alone don't raise your kids. You have neighbors who get involved. If a neighbor sees a kid doing wrong, they don't need to tell you. The kid will come home crying because he was disciplined by someone who saw him.
The cultural environment calls for a different parenting style.
There's times that you wish you could smack your kid in public, but you don't do it
I
for
can't.
obvious reasons.
There are some kids who know how to take advantage of their
Oh,
parents.
Ooh, yeah.
Like they say, they
Oh,
know
yeah.
what to do at home,
I
and they
get-
know here you can't do me anything.
Yeah, it's not all of the kind of discipline that we got while growing up that were bad. What about some of those values that were good?
On today's edition of the Banter Brigade, I am Adambi Mbengo, and you are welcome to another episode of your safe space where the African diaspora tells it like it is. From culture to chaos, from taboo to truths. This is a safe space where every opinion matters and will be listened to.